Downloading your account data from DoorDash can help you keep track of your orders and preferences. Follow these steps to successfully retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find data download option. In the account settings menu, search for an option related to privacy or data management. Look for a section that mentions downloading your account data. Step 4. Request data download. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for confirmation message from DoorDash. This email will provide instructions on how to download your data once it is ready. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.